The world is filled with countless species of animals, each one unique. However, some of them are teetering on the edge of extinction. In this video, we will journey across the globe and into the wild to meet the most endangered animals in the world. The Amur leopard, native to the Russian Far East, is a creature of immense beauty and agility. With fewer than 100 of them left in the wild, their survival is on a knife edge. The vaquita is a tiny porpoise that inhabits the Gulf of California. Illegal fishing practices have pushed this marine mammal to the brink of extinction. There are approximately 10 of them remaining. The Javan rhino, once common in Southeast Asia, is now the most threatened of all rhino species. Only 68 of them remain, isolated in a single national park in Java. The orangutan of Borneo and Sumatra has suffered from relentless habitat loss due to illegal logging and palm oil plantations. These intelligent primates are now critically endangered. The mountain gorilla, found in the mountains of Uganda, Rwanda, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo, has been threatened by human conflict and habitat destruction. Conservation efforts have managed to increase their population, but they remain critically endangered. The Cross River gorilla, with fewer than 300 left in the wild, has been hunted relentlessly and lost its habitat due to farming. They are the world's rarest great ape species. The ivory-billed woodpecker was once common in the southeastern United States, but habitat loss and hunting have pushed it to the brink. It is now possibly extinct, with no confirmed sightings since 2004. The hawksbill sea turtle is critically endangered due to relentless hunting for its beautiful shell. It also faces threats from climate change and habitat loss due to coastal development. The Sumatran tiger, one of the smallest tiger subspecies, faces a precarious future due to poaching and habitat loss. There are fewer than 400 left in the wild. The Edge of Existence program lists the Ploughsharetortoise as one of the world's most evolutionary distinct and globally endangered species. Illegal pet trade has pushed this unique animal to the edge of extinction. The kakapo, a large, flightless parrot from New Zealand, is one of the world's rarest birds. Predation by introduced species and habitat loss have led to the death of most individuals, leaving fewer than 200 alive today. The saola, a mysterious antelope-like creature from Vietnam and Laos, is critically endangered due to hunting and habitat loss. It was only discovered in 1992, and it may disappear before we fully understand it. The vaquita and the Maui's dolphin are the world's smallest and rarest marine dolphins. Both species have suffered from fishing-related deaths and habitat degradation. The northern right whale is one of the world's most endangered large whale species. Climate change, entanglement in fishing gear, and ship strikes have caused a significant decline in its population. The Sumatran orangutan, with a population of around 7,500, is critically endangered. The major threats it faces are habitat loss due to palm oil plantations and illegal pet trade. The black rhino, once widespread across Africa, has suffered a catastrophic decline due to poaching. Conservation efforts have helped stabilize some populations, but the species remains critically endangered. The Bornean orangutan is another species threatened by illegal pet trade and habitat loss due to palm oil plantations. With less than 55,000 left in the wild, it is critically endangered. The eastern lowland gorilla has lost over 70% of its population in the past 2 decades due to civil unrest and habitat destruction in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. The Sumatran elephant has lost an alarming 70% of its habitat to palm oil plantations, illegal logging, and human settlements. This has led to a drastic decline in their numbers. The hawksbill sea turtle, a beautiful creature with a tortoiseshell pattern, is critically endangered due to hunting for its shell and eggs. Additionally, they are threatened by the loss of nesting and feeding habitats. The Yangtze finless porpoise, the only freshwater porpoise species to be classified as critically endangered, is threatened by pollution, overfishing, and habitat loss. The Sumatran rhino, the smallest of all rhino species and the only Asian rhino with 2 horns, is critically endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. The South China tiger, one of the world's most endangered tiger subspecies, has not been sighted in the wild for over 25 years. It is believed that the hunting and loss of habitat may have driven this tiger to extinction. The Kemp's Ridley sea turtle, the smallest sea turtle species, is critically endangered due to human activities. These include hunting, habitat loss, and accidental capture in fishing gear. The western lowland gorilla, despite being the most numerous and widespread of all gorilla subspecies, is critically endangered due to disease, hunting, and habitat loss. The North Atlantic right whale, with a population of about 400, faces numerous threats. These include ship strikes, entanglement in fishing gear, and habitat disturbance. The red wolf, native to the southeastern United States, is one of the world's most endangered canids. With less than 40 left in the wild, the future of the species remains uncertain. The Malayan tiger is another critically endangered tiger subspecies, with fewer than 300 left in the wild. Poaching and loss of habitat due to palm oil plantations are the main threats facing this tiger. The blue-throated macaw, a beautiful bird native to Bolivia, is critically endangered due to the pet trade and habitat loss. There are less than 500 left in the wild. The Iberian lynx, native to Spain, is the world's most endangered cat species. Habitat loss, reduction in prey, and accidental deaths on roads have led to a severe decline in its population. The Hainan gibbon is the world's most endangered primate, with fewer than 30 individuals left. Deforestation and hunting are the main threats facing this gibbon. The saiga antelope, known for its distinctive nose, is critically endangered due to hunting for its horns and loss of habitat. The vaquita, the world's smallest and most endangered marine mammal, is on the brink of extinction due to illegal fishing. The Philippine eagle, with a wingspan of over 2 meters, is one of the world's largest and most powerful birds. Habitat loss and hunting have led to a severe decline in its population. The radiated tortoise, native to Madagascar, is critically endangered due to habitat loss and the pet trade. It is believed that less than 6% of their original population in the wild remains. The Sumatran orangutan, native to Indonesia, is critically endangered due to deforestation and the illegal pet trade. With less than 14,000 left in the wild, the future of this primate hangs in the balance. The hawksbill turtle, known for its beautiful shell, is critically endangered due to hunting for its shell, habitat loss, and climate change, which threatens their nesting sites. These animals are more than just statistics. They are living, breathing beings that contribute to our planet's biodiversity. Their loss would be a loss for us all. Let's be the guardians of their survival. Our collective actions can ensure their future. Let's protect our most endangered animals.